Hello everyone, so today we're going to talk about factors, multiples and the primes. Okay, so let's talk about what's factors. Okay, so factors. Okay, so what are those factors? Okay, so factors. Okay, let's recall what have been learned previously. So what's the whole number? Let's say 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so on. They are, how do we call them? We call them the whole number. We call them whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers. So okay, they can be used to count things. Okay, can be used to count things. Okay. Okay, so they can be used for counting things. They are all whole numbers, right? Okay, and then apparently, okay, so a whole number greater than 1 can be written as a product of two whole numbers. So what is the meaning? Okay, for example, okay, let's say, for example, so we have 12. Okay, 12 is a whole number. So 12 can be written as the product of two whole numbers. For example, 12 can be written as 1 times 12, also can be written as a 2 times 6, also can be written as 3 times 4, right? So in this case, so we can say that, okay, so a number, so a whole number greater than 1, so can be written as product of two whole number, right? Okay, so this is clear, right? So because you can write 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Okay, so in this case, we call that, how we call that? So we call, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 are the factors of number 12. Okay, they're all factors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the factors of number 12, this whole number. And also sometimes we say, okay, sometimes we also say that sometimes we also say the number 12, this number is divisible by each of the factor. Okay, so we also have this thing. Okay, so now it's clear, right? So a whole number more than 1 can be written as a product of two whole numbers. At 12 we have 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. So in this case, these numbers are all factors of 12. Okay, so this is very clear, right? Okay, let's look at an example. Okay, let's look at example. Okay, let's look at the example 1. So example 1 is find the factors of 17. So let's look at a solution. Okay, solution. Okay, so 17. So basically we have 1 times 17. Okay, 2 times 35. Okay, so how about 3? 3 cannot write. So that's 5. 5 times how much? 14, right? Okay, the next one is 7. 7 times how much? 7 times 10. Okay, right? So what's the factors? Okay, the factors. So the answer is the factors of 17 are, okay, so how many we have? We have 1, we have 2, we have 5, we have 7, we have 10, we have 14, we have 35, and of course 17 itself, right? So how many numbers we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 numbers of factors for this number. Try 1. So let's look at the factors of this 105. Okay, so how many factors we have? Okay, we can use the same. So okay, let's look at this number. So we find out the factors of 105. So in this case, we started with 1. So 105, of course, 1 times 105. Let's look at 2. 105 divided by 2. 5, 10. So 5. So 2, 4, 1. Okay, so cut. We can't find a whole number. So in this case, so we will see 2 cannot. How about 3? Number 3. 3, 105. So 3, 9, 15, 5. Okay, 3 is good, right? 3 times 35. How about number 5? How about number 4? 105, 4, 2, 8, 25. So 4, 6, 24, 1. No good. So try this one. How about number 10? How about number 5? Number 5 is 2, 10, and 1, right? So that's good. So in this case, 5 is okay. 5 times 21. So next one. So what else we have? How about 7? How about 6? In this case, we also come 7. 7 times 15, right? Okay, so we find out all the factors. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 15, 21, 35, right? 35. So in this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 of them. So it's able to, with the factors of, they are all factors of 105. Okay, so we can find the factors of all these numbers, right? This is try 1. This